Okay, let's get started on our problems that we're doing on there. So let's just look at what we have. So this one, actually, the first one is going to use rule number 2 because we have us a metal plus oxygen. So this is going to form that metallic oxide that we had looked at. So when you're doing this, guys, you don't necessarily need, well, you'll come back and write the name of it up here, but you might want to do the reaction first and then write the name. So we've got calcium, we've got oxygen. We're going to come across here with our, sorry about that, with our charges. And so calcium has a +2 charge. I don't know why I wrote it as a +1. And oxygen has a -2 charge. So it is CaO. My bad there. Okay. So we have, if we name this, it is just calcium oxide. Okay. Now the other thing you need to do is balance it. So we do have to always balance everything that we're doing. And so in this case, we have 2 oxygens, so we know we're going to need a 2. That means we have 2 calciums. Okay. So let's try another one. Let's try not to screw it up. So we've got copper plus sulfur. Neither one of those are diatomics. And so this is a metal with copper being a metal. Sulfur is a non-metal. It's over on, so sulfur's over on the group 16. So we're just going to, again, put those two together. Check your charges. So copper, and they didn't tell us which it is here, so that's a bad on the part of this, but this is a -2, so we'll just go ahead and assume that this is a +2. It really needs to be told to you. It was not. That's an error, typo error I need to fix on my end, because I would need to let you know which copper it is, because remember, we have copper 1 or copper 2. So we'll just call it copper 2 to make it easy for you. So copper has a 2, sulfur has a 2, and we're done. And so we would name this as copper 2 sulfide. Okay. Okay, let's try another one here. So we have calcium oxide. That means that's just CaO. Double check your charges, but we had it up here, so we don't need to. Plus water, and I didn't check this one, but this one's balanced already, so we really need to just say balanced. Okay, water. And again, if I have this would be a metallic oxide, because calcium's a metal, so metallic oxide plus water. I didn't write down which one that one is, but this would be, oops, just so you know, this is number 4 on your rules, and it forms a metallic hydroxide. So I'm going to take my calcium over, and my OH. Okay, and again, I need to check my charges. So calcium being a +2, hydroxide's a -1, so I'm going to need 2 hydroxides. Okay, and then again, you're going to need to balance it. Okay, number 4, that one's kind of a tricky one. We'll need to come back and talk about that. Why it forms NH3. So we're going to just skip that one here just for a little bit. Let's go ahead and go to number 5. We've got hydrogen. Again, it's a gas plus chlorine. Whoops, I didn't need parentheses there. Chlorine, which is a gas. Okay, hydrogen plus chlorine, and again, HCl. That's going to end up making our hydrochloric acid. So hydrogen's a +1, chlorine's a +1. And so this would be hydrochloric acid. Okay. And again, you would need to balance that one again. So I'm going to stop there. I'll leave you the last one for you to do on your own. So when you finish that one, go on to the next page, and there is through 11. So I do want you to finish all the way through 11.